Just recently, Hindustan Unilever made history by appointing Priya Nair as their first women CEO at age 53, after 90 years of male leadership. Priya Nair is not the first woman to have created history post the age of 40. Falguni Nair launched Nykaa at 49 and became one of India's richest self-made women. Kiran Majumdar-Shaw turned Biocon into a pharmaceutical giant well into her 40s and 50s. What unites these extraordinary women? They didn't just continue after 40, they transformed entire industries. So if you're watching this and you're over 40, remember, you're stepping into your most powerful chapter yet. This is your renaissance, backed by science, validated by data. What I've discovered after interacting with thousands of successful women is that transformation after 40 happens across 4 powerful pillars. When you understand and align these pillars, you don't just adapt to change, you become the change. These 4 pillars are your physical foundation, your body's evolution and energy optimization, your emotional intelligence, your deepest wisdom and relationship mastery, your mental clarity, your strategic thinking and purpose alignment, your spiritual connection, your legacy and meaningful impact that you create. I'll show you exactly how these pillars work, the real challenges you'll face and the proven solutions that work. Physical foundation. Your body is changing after 40 and that's completely normal. Estrogen level drops for 35 to 50% during perimenopause. Basal metabolic rate decreases 2 to 3% per decade. 61% of women experience sleep disruption and 78% report fatigue patterns. But these changes aren't weaknesses. They are your body's way of preparing for your next chapter. Women who understand and work with these changes report higher energy levels than even their 30s. Pillar 2. Emotional intelligence. The emotional challenges are real. Studies show that 68% of women report identity confusion during major life transitions. This is what we call role shift, the fundamental change in how you define yourself. You might experience role shift confusion, moving from I'm a mother to who am I beyond motherhood. This isn't a crisis, it's evolution. Your brain is literally rewiring to help you discover your authentic self beyond external roles. Pillar 3. Mental clarity. Mentally, you might feel scattered or unfocused. It could be because you're juggling more responsibilities than ever before. Concentration could be difficult during hormonal shifts. Your brain could be literally adapting to new chemical patterns. However, neuroscience shows that crystallized intelligence, your accumulated knowledge and wisdom, continues growing throughout life. Pillar 4. Spiritual connection. You might feel the need to question your purpose. Research shows 77% of women report deeper spiritual questioning after 40 as priorities shift from external achievement to internal fulfillment. You reassess value of what truly matters versus what society told you should matter. This is spiritual awakening. The complete solution framework. Physical foundation solutions. Evidence-based strategies that work. Strength training. 2 to 3 times a week increases bone density by 13%. Here's why it's crucial. As estrogen drops, your bone loses density faster. Strength training helps your bone to maintain and build bone mass. It also increases muscle mass, which boosts metabolism and helps counteract the natural metabolic slowdown. The Mediterranean diet that emphasizes plant-based foods and healthy fat also has anti-inflammatory properties that help balance hormones naturally and provide steady energy. 7 to 9 hours of sleep improves cognitive function by 23%. Quality sleep is when your brain consolidates memories and processes emotions, crucial during this transition period. Stress management through meditation reduces cortisol by 31%. Chronic stress accelerates aging and disrupts hormonal balance, hence, it is very important. Emotional intelligence solutions. Just journaling 15 minutes daily reduces anxiety by 28%. Writing helps your brain process the complexity of changing priorities and roles. Further, strong social connections increase longevity by 50%, but focus on quality over quantity. Solutions for mental clarity and spiritual connections. Lifelong learning, clear goal setting, and mindfulness practice are critical. Cognitive science shows that lifelong learning keeps your brain adaptable, boosting neuroplasticity and reinforcing mental flexibility. Mindfulness and goal setting strengthen focus and mental control. At the same time, having a clear purpose and engaging in meaningful spiritual or service oriented practices adds years to your health span, lowers depression risk, and enhances well being. Together, these practices don't just preserve your mind and spirit, they transform them into powerful tools for thriving in your next chapter. These 4 pillars work synergistically. Whether you're sitting in an empty house wondering what's next, or walking into boardrooms where your voice carries decades of wisdom, know that your transformation isn't happening to you, it's happening for you. In the comment, tell me which of the 4 pillars resonates most with your journey right now. Share this with every woman who needs to hear this.